Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to make a special snack in our village called Kachiri. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away, mom starts by peeling the cassavas. In our village, it is summer season, and so many of the people have uprooted their cassavas, and some are just grown. They're not yet mature. Let me know in your village what crop is in season. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. In our home, such snacks we take at 4 p.m. East African time. Way I will light my fire. I'll put my pan on fire. I will then add my cooking oil. Just as we are waiting for the oil to be very hot, then I will go ahead and just slice my cassavas. So guys, when your oil is very hot, then you put your cassavas. Let me know in your village how you do it. Remember, we are not putting pepper simply because we have kids here. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. So there are different methods of slicing the cassava. You can decide to just slice, then is when you can put on hot oil. I will then have to be very patient so that at least my kachiri can cook well. Wow, normally most of the time for me, I always just turn it once. Let me know in your village how you do it. Once they are ready, then you have to be very sure that you've really sieved well so that at least the oil cannot be too much on it. So the second method is me slicing directly to the pan. Okay. Wow, remember at times when schools have opened, I always do the business of selling kachiri. Let me know in your village if really you do such business. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Let me know in your village which kind of method you use. Wow, this chicken, no. For sure, for your girl with chicken, ducks, they're just there. They always surround me. So while clearing your oil, then you have to make sure that you leave the oil quite clean so that at least you can be able to recycle it. Let me know in your village if really you make use of the used oil. So while carrying the pan, it's very, very hot. And so you have to be very careful. And that is why I'll just ask for help from my younger sister. Wow. Let me hope we'll be that careful. Wow, I really love the way they're too dry. Wow. Let me know in your village how you cook them. And this is Kachiri. Remember, we are in Giriama land. And for sure, I'll have to be very careful so that at least a child cannot pass there. Let me know in your village how you really cool down your oil. Guys, my siblings, they are taking so much time, yet we are supposed to eat together. Of course, we are going to share as a whole family this, yeah? Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Let me know in your village if really you eat from one plate. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.